recently trip to Srinagar. So this is Dal Lake, where there is a houseboat. We rented it for a day. So we will give you a small tour of our houseboat. So you can see there is a big place to sit. We can have tea, coffee or something by seeing all the beautiful scenery here. So come with me, I will give you a tour. So this, as you can see, that this is a very beautifully decorated with Kashmiri feeling. The drawing room, you can see a beautiful table with flower pot. There are the sofas and then this sofas, and we can also lie down here. And the most beautiful part of this room is the scenery. As you can see from outside, we can see the boats, we can see the Dal Lake, and we can see the other houseboats where people are living for a day or two as much as they want. So this is a big mirror, so we can see after getting ready, we can see ourselves how we are looking. So this is about the drawing room. Then come with me inside. Is our beautiful dining room. Here this is the dining table, and we can see some Kashmiri unique items are placed here. And then this is a fridge which we have been provided, and again we can see the beautiful jhumar. And then you can please come here and you can see outside view, which is very beautiful, and we can see other boats and houseboats as well. So I hope you are liking it. Then we will come inside. There is a small dressing room here also. We can open it and we can place our requirements. And then there is a small gallery. This is the small gallery, and this is a small staircase which have been closed. You can show here there. And yeah, and now please come inside. This is the beautiful gallery. So here comes, which is slider gate, here comes the bedroom. Please come inside. Again, the bedroom is filled with beautiful Kashmiri items which we are liking it a lot. And then this is our packing bag. We have to move it. And then here also we can see the beautiful scenery all around. And then this is the dressing table. Dressing table, and this is the washroom, a small washroom where there is a bathtub, and all this is situated on a boat. That is the best part of this place. So I hope you have liked it. Now you can see the other person who is giving you the tour.
Hello, Namaskar.
So how's the view?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Are you liking it?
Yes, sure.
So I hope we will explore it more and more.